Are you feeling tired, distracted, exhausted by the constant buzz of notifications? If yes, then this video is for all of you. Today, I'll be talking about the most important topic in today's world, which is digital detox in the life of students. It can be used by any other person also, but I am focusing more on the life of students so that they can achieve more in their life. Hello everyone, this is CA Priyanka Jain. Welcome back to my channel, The Live Baker. Yes, this video is after a long time, but I'm really grateful to all of you who are still connected to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing what digital detox means, what's the problem behind the need of digital detox in today's world, what are the benefits which you can get from digital detox, and all the tips and techniques which you can use to free yourself from the constant buzz of notifications. So before we dive into the techniques of applying digital detox in your life, let's understand the meaning of digital detox. It's simply taking a deliberate break from the screens, be it your smartphone, your laptop or TV, to focus on real world interactions and activities. It doesn't mean that you need to abandon from the technology, because that is the need of the hour, but creating a good relationship, a healthy relationship with the technology. Let's understand the problem behind it. Why digital detox is the need of the hour. Did you know students spend 7 to 8 hours in mindlessly scrolling their smartphones? Well, yes, technology helps us to connect and learn a lot of things, but we also need to understand that it is actually causing a lot of stress, sleep issues, as well as a drop in their academic performance. Social media, constant notification is actually taking a lot of time from our lives, and हमें समझ भी नहीं आ रहा कि अपना time कहाँ निकल रहा है. Where are we losing our time? That we are not understanding. Students, you need to understand that digital detox won't abandon you from the technology completely, but it will only set a healthy boundary between you and the smartphones. How much time you need to spend, how much is actually effective and will be helpful for you in your life. It will ultimately help you to refresh your mind, relax and concentrate more in what really matters in your life right now. So let's understand what are the benefits of digital detox first, and then we'll talk about the techniques. So the first benefit is that it will improve your focus and productivity. We need to understand that since you are all the time connected with the social world, it is decreasing your concentration power. Reels, shorts are all the videos which are of short span. So when you continuously scroll your smartphones, it actually affects your brain. So benefit of digital detox is that it will improve your focus and concentration also at the time of studies. The second benefit is, and it will enhance your mental state. See, in today's world there is a lot of stress, competition also. So it is very important that you keep yourself mentally strong all the time. When you are in the digital world, you are ultimately constantly using your mental state again and again, which will indirectly impact your mental well-being. If you use less digital, it will reduce your anxiety, it will reduce your stress, and you will be able to be in the present world more. The third benefit is it will boost your real life relationship. Nowadays, if you see, जहाँ पे भी हम लोग जाते, wherever we go, everyone is constantly stick to their phones, which is really bad. If you use your phones less when you are going out or when you're with your family, it will improve your relations with your friends, family and everyone, with yourself also. So if you are into this technique, it will ultimately improve your real life connections. The next benefit is it will also promote better sleep. At the time of sleep, at least 30 minutes before you sleep, stop using your mobile phone. Because if you use a mobile phone, that blue screen affects your sleep. It reduces your melatonin production. Reducing screen time will improve your sleep by reducing exposure to blue light. So the next benefit is it will also improve your physical health, because it will encourage you to do activities which needs your physical development, which needs your physical involvement, like walking, jogging or exercising, as well as it will prevent आई स्ट्रेन भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि कंटिन्यूसली जब आप फ़ोन देखते हो तो आई पे भी प्रेशर पड़ता है, नेक पे भी प्रेशर पड़ता है, बैक एक भी होता है. तो इसीलिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो दैट यू रिड्यूस योर स्क्रीन टाइम, यू कम आउट ऑफ योर cocoon and enjoy the real world, which will actually benefit you in future. And the last benefit is it will connect you with the nature. When you go out, when you see the real world, it will actually improve your mental state, your physical state, and your emotional being also. When you spend time with the nature, it will help you to reconnect with yourself, to self-analyze yourself, to prioritize what you actually want to achieve in your life. But if you go to the park while walking, also you scroll your phone, then your mind is not free. You are not active. You won't be able to introspect what you actually want in your life. So better whenever you go out, reconnect with the nature, leave your phone aside, and try to find the purpose of your life that will benefit you in the long run. So students, let's dive into the most important part of our video, the techniques, the tips and tricks which you can use to incorporate digital detox in your life. So the first point is set time limits. In iOS phone or Android, there are apps which actually track your screen time. So set specific blocks for each app which you are using daily, which waste your time actually, from which you are just using it for entertainment purpose. So there you need to set your time. Screen time apps are there. In Android also there is digital well-being which will track your time. So see आपका टाइम कहाँ जा रहा है, कहाँ पे आप सारा टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, उसको ट्रैक करके ट्राई टू मिनिमाइज इट. सेट टाइम लिमिट्स कि 15 मिनट्स आप इंस्टाग्राम देखोगे, 20 मिनट्स आप यूट्यूब देखोगे. एंड अगर आपको कोई क्लासेस करना है तो आप लैपटॉप में करिए, बिकॉज आप लैपटॉप में जब करोगे दैट टाइम यू विल be able to concentrate on that thing only, and you will not shift yourself to shorts or reels which actually takes a lot of time, जो हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता है कहाँ चला गया अपना टाइम, राइट. सो सेट टाइम लिमिट फ़ोन पे if you are using your different apps which are for entertainment purpose, and then try to see yourself where your time is going. So set time limits for yourself कि आप 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा देखते ही आपका वो ऐप लॉक हो जाएगा. So you need to set a deadline for each app which you are using daily. So next technique is turn off your notifications. In every phone, be it Android or iOS, आप अपने notifications को completely off कर सकते हो. तो in all the apps which you are using, notifications को off कर दो ताकि वो badge display ना हो, वो ऊपर में आपके constant buzz नहीं आए, and keep the sound off as well. तो इस तरीके से आपका जब बार बार पिंग होगा, you won't be able to connect with it. जब आप वो ऐप खोलोगे तभी आपको मैसेज मिलेगा. तो if you turn it off, you can easily concentrate on whatever you are doing at that moment. In fact, आप कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हो नोटिफिकेशंस की. आपके जो फेवरेट लोग हैं, जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, कुछ क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं, सिर्फ उनके कॉल्स हैं when you are in your study zone. Third technique is establish a no tech zone. Whenever you eat your food, whenever you are with your family, or when you are planning to sleep, try to keep your phone away. चाहे आप कोई घर पे कोई स्पेस बना लो जहाँ पे आपको फ़ोन रखे आना है, तो when you sleep you are not disturbed. इनफैक्ट जब आप फैमिली के साथ लंच कर रहे हो, डिनर कर रहे हो, when you are having food or having a family time, that time make it a rule that everyone will actually keep their phones away. That will help enhancing your relationship with each other also. So the fourth technique is use technology purposefully. Whenever you are about to start a screen, be it TV, laptop, anything, ask yourself, is it important right now? Should I actually open Instagram or Facebook? Is this the right time or not? Am I studying or not? What was the daily routine which I had set? So if you ask yourself, you will get an answer that yes, now I need a break. I'll watch it for 10 minutes. बट इफ़ यू सी कि नहीं इम्पॉर्टेंट है अभी, तो आप उस समय उस मोमेंट में उसको प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर दोगे, नहीं देखना अभी. तो ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड द पर्पज़ ऑफ यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. But in your free time, when you just want to chill and relax, that time you can use it. There is no problem, because you cannot be away from this thing, because this is important as well. But you need to create a healthy boundary with it. So the next technique is schedule screen off activities. In the sense, you can plan कि सोते वक्त before sleeping we'll read 5 pages. After this time we'll go for a walk or something. In the morning when I wake up, after that I'll journal. So find activities which are phone free, screen free, and so that you can connect yourself with the real world. That is very important. So if you schedule it nicely, all the screen free activities, then you will be able to do it. Basically you need to dedicate time for your hobbies. जो आपको पसंद है, क्या क्या हॉबीज़ आपको पसंद है, आपको कुकिंग करना पसंद है, या आपको डांसिंग पसंद है, या आपको गिटार बजाना पसंद है, whatsoever it is. If you plan screen of activities, then only you will be able to do it. So try incorporating that in your life. So the next technique is follow one screen at a time rule. कि आप टीवी देखते देखते फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करोगे, अगर आप मूवी देख रहे हो तो मूवी पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे. तो if you apply this thing, your focus and concentration will improve gradually. I know it's difficult, even I multitask a lot of times, but I am also trying my best to incorporate this in my life. कि जब मैं एक चीज़ कर रही हूँ तो I'll do only one thing at a time, because it actually increases your focus. So next technique is, students, it is very important कि आप digital curfew incorporate करो अपने लाइफ में. At least before sleep 2 घंटे आप एकदम फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करोगे, एंड मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू गेट अप तब भी 2 आवर्स आप फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करोगे. बिकॉज एज अ स्टूडेंट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपका फोकस, आपका माइंड हर समय वर्क करे. ओके, एंड अगर आप स्क्रीन टाइम ज़्यादा यूज़ करोगे तो योर माइंड विल बी ब्लॉक्ड. ठीक है, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप डिजिटल कर्फ्यू इनकॉर्पोरेट करो अपने लाइफ में. सोने से पहले यू रीड और जर्नल और स्टडी फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन स्लीप. तो फ़ोन यूज़ करना यू नीड टू स्टॉप before sleep and directly after you get up. So the next technique is declutter your digital space. जो apps आप यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हो उन सबको डिलीट कर दो. जो कम यूज़ करते हो तो उसको एक अलग सेग्रीगेट फोल्डर्स बना लो. All the money related, investment related, bank related apps can be kept in separate folder. All the reading material kind of which improves your daily routine, उन सबको आप एक अलग से फोल्डर बना दो. तो बाकी मतलब प्रॉपरली अगर आप सिस्टमैटिकली अपने ऐप्स को कस्टमाइज़ करके प्रॉपरली प्लेस करोगे तो वो भी आपके माइंड को बहुत फ्री करेगा. एंड डिलीट ऑल द ऐप्स विच यू हैव नॉट यूज एटलीस्ट 4-5 months. तो आप उस सबको डिलीट कर सकते हो बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. एंड द नेक्स्ट टेक्निक इज यू कैन ऑल्सो कंडक्ट नो टेक डे इन अ वीक और 15 days. कि 15 दिन में एक दिन ऐसा जाएगा कि आप फ़ोन यूज़ ही नहीं करोगे. Completely off, reconnect with the nature, do all the activities which you love doing. तो एक दिन आप ट्राई करो इन 15 days कि आप फ़ोन को, कोई भी डिजिटल मीडिया या स्क्रीन्स को नहीं देखें, बिकॉज इट विल अल्टीमेटली इम्प्रूव योर फोकस एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. ये सारी बातें कि फोकस और कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को बेटर करने के लिए ही है, राइट? बिकॉज यू आर स्टूडेंट, यू आर नाउ लर्निंग, यू आर इन दैट फेज कि आपको ग्रो करना है. इन फैक्ट एवरी वन ऑफ अस, एवरी वन आर लर्निंग ऑल द टाइम, राइट? तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम कनेक्ट करें खुद को, रिकनेक्ट योर सेल्फ विथ योर सेल्फ, with the nature and everyone around. उसके लिए 15 days में 1 day completely no tech, no phones, no screen day. You can take it as a challenge. So next technique is you can replace your digital alternatives with analog alternatives. Like अगर आप planning कर रहे हो तो don't use your laptop. Use a diary, use a planner, a diary to plan your day. जो भी planning, time management का आप करने वाले हो उन सबको आप लिखो, write it down. तो जितना कम आप लैपटॉप यूज़ करोगे उतना स्क्रीन से दूर रहोगे एंड यू विल बी इन द प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड, जो पहले के ज़माने में होता था, हम लोग भी करते थे. तो व्हेन यू राइट इट डाउन विथ योर पेन आपका माइंड और वर्क करता है. तो रिप्लेस योर एक्टिविटीज़ जो डिजिटली से आप उसको एनालॉग में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. एंड द लास्ट टेक्निक इज़ जब भी आप पढ़ने बैठते हो ट्राई टू सेट टाइम लिमिट्स फॉर योर सेल्फ कि 2 hours आप पढ़ोगे, या पोमोडोरो टेक्निक अगर अप्लाई करना है कि हाँ ठीक है 25 minutes पढ़ के 5 minutes का ब्रेक में लेता हूँ. Reward yourself if you are being able to do it. Celebrate small wins that will encourage you to take more digital detox day. So students, remember your device is just a tool, not your life. A little detox can actually go a long way in helping you achieve all that you want to achieve in your life. Your goals, your dreams and everything. Small steps will actually lead you to win big in your life. So today I request every one of you to actually apply any one technique which you feel is feasible for you. Start building it up and let me know which technique was your favorite, which you applied in your real life, and was it helpful or not in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please do like this video, subscribe and share it with a friend who wants a detox in their life. Thank you so much, and do let me know in the comment section how are you going to start your digital detox journey. See you all in the next video.